Hey guys, it's me Zoe, and today I have a squishy package. It's a unicorn, but it's not very big of a package because it's only one. This is my 6th big squishy. I have 10 other small squishies. It's storming out. I can't even show you how bad it is. With my nails, and it came in a small package, so it's a unicorn. So I'm going to take it out. It's very soft. Guys, it's so squishy. Oh my gosh, and it can stand. This is so cute. It's so soft, and on the package it says Amber. Came in this bigger package, but not necessary. And this is my 6th one that's big. I have a monster coming, which I will do a video on that. It's coming like next week. It's bigger, but this is so cute and tiny. So yeah, it's like my 6th squishy. They all come, but this is this package that came in because all the other ones are just rats. And it's very squishy, guys. Look at that. It's still rising. Guys, did you guys hear that? I can show you. It's probably going to be lightning, so I have to be very careful. Guys, look. Guys, there might be a power out today. I don't know. So scary. Okay, guys. So yeah, very squishy, very nice. Yeah, here is my unicorn squishy. Very cute. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, smash that like button. And I will certainly see you in the next video. Bye.